This is a relatively straightforward living challenge for white. So first of all, white must take care of this black stone, otherwise black will capture these two white stones and white will not have enough ice space. So the most intuitive move would be this one. But this is wrong because black can play this clamping move. It's a really neat move because number 2 can connect via number 4. White might want to play this, hoping that black connects here, and now this will be a living shape. But the problem is that after number 5, black can play this first. It's an Atari on these two stones, and white can only choose one side. Either way, white will only have one real eye after black's number 6. Similarly, if white plays at number 5, black can connect here. When white Ataris, black can play this move. And white will still only have one real eye here, and this will be a fake eye. So white cannot succeed this way. So that is why white needs another move to capture this black stone. And that's right here. Now number 1 really guards against this clamping and connecting move at 2 and 4. Because now white can simply throw in and form a connect and die shape. And this will be at least one real eye for white. Plus this other real eye by capturing this stone on the 2-3 point, white is alive in this pattern. So after 1, 3, and 5, white is able to succeed. And that is the main takeaway from this pattern. Remember that number 1 here on the first line can sometimes set up a very neat throw in and connect and die shape, which is really effective against black's number 2 clamping and number 4 connecting moves. Good luck and thank you for watching.